We can do the textbook activities. Look at the picture carefully and answer the questions that follow. So your first question, Paromida has made cookies for 6 people. Look at the tray in the picture and find the number of cookies she has made. How many cookies will each person get if they are shared equally? So here you count how many cookies in that tray. Then you can divide that cookies into 6 people. Okay. Otherwise using division you can find out the answer. How will you divide? 12 divided by 6. You can find out the answer. Okay. Next one. Help Paromida's son Kaushik arrange 15 cups in a rack in such a way that each shelf has 5 cups. Draw the number of cups on each shelf in the picture. So here you see shelves there in the picture. There are how many shelves? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves. So each shelf, arrange these 15 cups into each shelf. Okay, so one shelf, how many cups will be there? Only 5 cups. So you can arrange these shelves. Okay, you can draw the picture of a cup in this picture. Okay, next we can do next activity. We studied division is a repeated subtraction. So here look here, there are 20 dolls are there. So we can divide that dolls, okay, with 4. So how will you divide using repeat subtraction? First you 20 minus 4. How many? 16 dolls. Then with that 16 dolls you less 4. Then you get how many? What is the answer? 16 minus 4 is 12. Okay. Next 12 minus 4. 12 this answer 12 minus 4. Minus 4 we can write 8. Then next how many? This 8 you can write 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4, what is the answer? 4 dolls. Okay. Next, here this 4 we can write 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So how many times we subtract? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So the answer is 20 divided by 4 equal to 4. Okay. This way you can subtract the numbers. Okay. Division. Next, here we studied division. When dividing this number, there is quotient, dividend and divisor. So you look at the picture here. We can divide 20 divided by 4. We already divide this one. So this answer 5. This answer that is called quotient. And which number we divide? That number is called dividend. And we are using one number for divide. That number we can call as divisor. Okay. So first here we can write as quotient and this is dividend and this 4 is divisor and you can one answer last that is called remainder. Okay. So we can do the textbook activities. Here also one more question using repeated subtraction. 34 minus 6. What is 34 minus 6? We can subtract 34 minus that is 34 divided by 6. So using repeated subtraction we can find out the answer. 34 minus 6 is equal to 28. Okay. Then 28 minus 6 is 22. Then 22 minus 6 that is 16. Then 16 minus 6 is 10. Then 10 minus 6 is how many? Here 10. 10 minus 6 is 4 balls. So here in this question 34 divided by 6 is equal to 5 and our remainder we can got the balance here 4 balls. So here 4 is remainder. Okay, so here 34 is dividend, 6 is divisor and 5 is quotient. The answer we call as quotient. Okay, so our remainder is 4. So we can do textbook activities. First one, divide the following using repeated subtraction and find the answer number of group formed. Also write the division sentence, write the remainder if any in each case. So here I do the first one, a 15 chocolates in groups of 13. So we can do that first question. 15 chocolates in groups of 3. So using repeated subtraction we can find out. Then first we can write the 15. Then you can divide with 3. So we can subtract 3 from this number. So we can write 3. 15 minus 3, what is the answer? 12. Then 12 minus 3, 9. Then 9 minus 3, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. Then 3 minus 3, 0. Then you can find out how many times we subtract. How many times we can subtract 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So here the answer is, we can write in division sentence also. 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. So in this question, 15 is the dividend and 3 is divisor and 5 is quotient and here remainder is 0. Okay. Next, 18 children in groups of 4. Same way you can do that using repeated subtraction. Then you can write the division sentence. 22 sharpeners in groups of 6. That also here in this question, remainder 22 minus 6. You will get remainder also. Okay, you can do the same way other two questions also. Here, Piyush has 62 photos and a scrapbook. He starts pasting 7 photos on each page of the scrapbook. Write and solve a division sentence to find out the following. So first one here, number of pages required to paste all photos. So how will you find out? First we can divide 62 divided by 7. Okay, number of pages required to paste all photos means 62. Here how many photos are there? 62 photos. And one page, how many photos? 7 photos. So we can find out 62 divided by 7. Okay. Then you can find out the answer. That is the answer of A question. B question, number of photos left after pasting 7 photos in page. That is, if you find out the answer, you get one remainder. That is the balance photos. Okay, remaining photos. First you divide this number 62 divided by 7. Then I show how to divide the numbers. Okay. So we can divide 62 divided by 7. How will you write? We can say 62 as dividend and 7 as divisor. Then you can divide. How will you divide? You say tell the table 7. So you find out where 62 come in the table 7. So here in 62 is there in the 7 table? No. 63 is there. And we can't write 63 because 63 is bigger number than 62. So we can write 56. That is 8 sevens are 56. So we studied 8 into 7 equal to 56. So we can write 8 sevens are 56. So here which number we can write? 8. 8 into 7 is 56. Then you subtract this number. That is 12 minus 6 is 6 and here will be 6. So here the remainder is 6 and quotient is 8. Divisor and divide already know. Then here the remainder is 6. So here number of photos left after pasting 7 photos on each page. That is after subtracting dividing this number you get one remainder, that is the remaining photos. Okay, so we can write here how many photos will be remain? 6. Okay, so when you're doing in the notebook you can write how you get the answer in the notebook. Okay, next question, 56 pencils are to be packed in boxes but only 8 pencils can fit in one box. Write and solve the sentence to find the following. So total number of boxes required. So here 56 pencils are to be packed in a boxes but only 8 pencils can fit in one box. So here how many pencils are there? Total 56 pencils are there. So here one box, how many pencils? 8 pencils. So write and solve the division sentence. So total number of boxes required. So here how many boxes you want to record? You find out 56 divided by 8. Then number of pencils after division. Same way you can do this question. That is left means a remainder you write here. Next write the dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. So after divide this number you find out the dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Okay. Next, Suhana has 45 saplings. She plants them in rows, each having 5 saplings. Write a division sentence to find the number of rows. Also write the dividend divisor and division sentence. That is using first to find out the division, that is 45 divided by 5. Then you can write the dividend divisor and quotient. Okay.